friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I would like to share one of a very important symptom which I encountered. In fact, a very important symptom which I learned is actually a symptom to prescribe on. I had a case of a person who used to tell me, sir, whenever I go in public meeting, I start coughing. Like that. When he came in the clinic also, he first coughed and sat down. He said, sir, whenever I am going for a seminar, whenever I am trying to giving a speech, it is not that I am not prepared. It's not that I am not confident, but I start coughing and it looks very odd. And now people have started telling me, ye aake pehle khasenga. Whenever he'll come, he'll first cough. Whenever I am passing down and my friends are chatting, I start coughing. So this is a very irritating feeling which I want to get rid of, and doctors believe it's not a symptom basically. It's basically maybe because of stress, so don't worry about it. It will go automatically, but I am really worried about this. I said, how's the cough? He said, there's nothing about the cough, they just it goes off. So I thought maybe he was very conscious when he was walking, when somebody is seeing him, or when preparing for a lecture. He was suffering from very conscious cough. So I asked him whether it happens every time or whether in a big moment. So he said, sir, whenever I feel that I'm walking alone and there are a lot of group of people which I don't know, or which I know but they feel that I'm not responding to them, or wherever there is a big occasion, then I start coughing. And it then goes off automatically. Sometimes I have to eat some lozenge so that the cough does not come. But this part of me is very irritating. Rest every symptom was taken as normal. So I had no choice, but I took the symptom called as nervous cough. Because I thought that he was feeling nervous or he was feeling very conscious while appearing in public or passing by his friends or coming in the clinic, very nervous. So I took the symptom nervous cough. So I wanted to examine his throat, whether there is something which I could see in his throat, or any congestion, or about the uvula. And also I told him that please open the mouth, and when I opened the mouth, a very surprising fact, I could see that the uvula was very much elongated. The uvula was very much elongated, and he said, sir, this is also a very long time. The doctors say that the uvula is elongated. Maybe the cough is because of that, but it is not like that. It is not because of this, because this cough is before that also. So as far as for prescribing goes, that I had now had two symptoms, nervous cough and elongated uvula. I said, something more would you like to add to that case? So he told a lot of symptoms, but then the most important which I could get from that he had perspiration which was very offensive, and I could also smell that perspiration. That's something, the odor was not nice in my chamber also. He said, sir, this is also a problem, but then I can get rid of this problem by spraying perfumes and all. So this is not hampering me. The most thing is that I start coughing in any major events or appearing for any major events. That is an important thing. That is irritating me. That is the disease state which I want to get rid of. So this was a case in front of me, a very rare symptom which the patient came from. Maybe I thought it was a very conscious cough. Maybe he was very cautious of appearing in public or talking to friends or any new event or where he was not comfortable with. I had prescribed him other drugs, but it did not work in this case, and I then repertorized only these three symptoms, that was nervous cough, uvula elongated, and offensive perspiration. And when I prescribed on these three symptoms a very important drug, in fact the only drug that came in the repertory chart was tannic acid. Yes, tannic acid, acid tannic, a very infrequently used drug In fact, I had used it very infrequently in my practice. But then tannic acid 200 was prescribed, 2 doses at a gap of 1 week. And I called the patient after a month. When he came, the first thing which I noticed was when he entered my chamber, there was no cough. And he immediately told me, "Sir, did you hear my cough?" I said, "No, this is what has happened. Now my coughing, that nervous cough, has reduced more than 60%. And today I have not put any perfume and gum. My perspiration also has become not so offensive. It is not so offensive. That means my perspiration is not offensive as it was before." These were the 2 symptoms that the patient first told me when he sat on my chair, and that time I learned the miracle of tannic acid. So this is tannic acid. In a month's time, all the symptoms reduced 50 to 60%. After 3 months when he came, he was absolutely better. He was more happy that he does not get cough now. So this is the magic of tannic acid which I have seen in my practice. One symptom which I would like to add in tannic acid, which I have read in tannic acid and prescribed maybe sporadically in 1 or 2 cases, and that is there is cylindrical enlargement felt in the stomach. The stomach feel like it is enlarged cylindrically. That I have confirmed in 1 or 2 cases, that cylindrical enlargement felt in the stomach. And I have seen in tannic acid, the patient likes to drink everything which is very much cold. Juices, water, beverages. Though it is not given in tannic acid, but I have seen in a lot of patients which I have cured with tannic acid, they like everything very cold to drink. So very short remedy which I have used in my practice. You also see in your practice, and if you get results, please do share so that we make a good mathematic of tannic acid. Please do share this video. Thank you.